of running out of names at this point.
Yeah, we've we've gone through a good part of the alphabet, and odds are we're going to get one or two more out of these three systems that are out there right now. Now, they may not all be tropical storms, and they may not end up being hurricanes, but we may very well get named storms here. First of all, let's talk about this one. This one is likely going to end up a subtropical storm. National Hurricane Center giving it a 60% chance of development in the next 2 days. So all these percentages are over the next 2 days. You'll see why that's important when we get to number 3 here. This one over here is actually looking a little less impressive today, but they're still giving it a 50% chance of developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm in the next 2 days. And this one down here is really unusual for this time of year to have. This is very much like a regular summertime type tropical system moving across from the Cape Verde area, but it's going to run into South America. So it's got a little bit of a tough road ahead of it, but it looks pretty impressive, as I'll show you in a second. All right, here's number 1 now. So here's the Leeward Islands, here's Puerto Rico. It's well to the north, and we can see there's a pretty good spin, area of low pressure developing right in there. It looks like it's pretty close to getting near subtropical depression status. Why subtropical depression? Because there's an upper level low involved here that when I show you the vapor loop in just 1 second, you're going to see that quite obviously. Here's one to the south, so this is number 3. Here's South America down here. That's Brazil right at the bottom of the picture, right there. And then French Guiana, Suriname, and Guyana there. And then we get to Venezuela kind of sticking up over here. So there's land ahead of it, but it looks like it's moving to the west-northwest, so it may just brush the coast here. The point is, in the next couple days, it's going to be involved with this land, but after that, may very well be in the Caribbean, where the conditions look like they're going to be more favorable. So here we are on the vapor loop. Here's number 1 up here again. Now look at the way this flow is in here. First of all, you see the dry air. The oranges are dry air, but notice you have a general flow in a counterclockwise direction. That's an upper level low pressure system involved with it, and that's why the thinking is if that does develop a low pressure area and becomes subtropical storm or subtropical depression, it is going to be subtropical. There's the tropical one down there. Conditions generally favorable if it does get into the Caribbean and moves away from land